All right, Solomon. So now that you're going to email out those offers, let's just start back from the beginning. So we'll go back to save searches. And the two that I'm going to have you focus on right now are the 0 to 400 and this 400 to 500. So these two searches pretty much stay on top of them. So you're checking those every day, pulling the new properties come out. And you can do that a couple different ways. The easiest way is really when you're checking it daily, is just to come in here and do the last run update. Um, you can do that on both of those and really just check that like 2 or 3 times a day. And when properties come up, go ahead and just submit an offer on them. 2 times a day is probably good enough. So checking them like when you first start work, do those and then check it again and touch up on the rest of them. But speed is everything on a lot of these properties. Getting an offer out right to them right away, especially when they make a lot of sense. And giving me a heads up on the ones that are really making a lot of sense is really important. So shooting me a text via Skype or whatever, just so I can get something on my phone from you. If you run across something, you're like, "Hey, Brian, this property makes a ton of sense. Let's get after it." And so now you can do both of these searches and being staying on top of both of these with this market update and then last run. This one hasn't been run since the 24th, and I'm not going to click on it because then it would be last run of today. And then I saw on this other one, it looks like you're in this one already this morning because I definitely wasn't up at 6 a.m. So that's your time over there. So you must have ran some properties. I just wanted to know if you pulled anything. Now, once you've done that and you're kind of caught up on both of these searches and you ran all those offers, then you can start going back. So if you want to start looking at stuff from 5 to 15 days, you can do that and you can run that search and then start going back further back to find some of these properties that are still active, haven't are still on the market, and you can start throwing some offers at them too. So there's plenty of properties that throw offers at under those two searches. So that'll keep you plenty busy. But we'll just start with you getting caught up and staying on top of those, and then you can, if you have some extra time a day, jump in there, or you need more properties to throw offers at, jump in there and um, by going 5 to 15 days back or 15 to 30 days back or 30 to 45 days back and um, finding those properties that are still active. I think you can do it this way. If you can't, there's another way we can do it. We can pull them by finding stuff that's been on the market for a while. So anyways, so hopefully that helps. I'm excited to get you going on this. This week you should be, by the end of the week you really as quickly as you're moving on this and as quickly as you're picking up on this, you're going to be pretty much on your own here real quick. And that's good because that means you're going to be making money faster. You're going to be getting me properties faster. We're both going to be doing quite well. So, that's it on this video. So once you get those emails out, start pulling properties, do the ARVs, send me the sheet on the ARVs. I'll still be checking those ARVs this week because that's the one key thing that we really got to get dialed in. And then once I get the ARVs, you can go ahead and write the contracts, send them because you got all that down, no problem at all. So, that's it. Talk to you soon.